This is one of our science snapshot booklets. This one is for those doing single science biology, but the whole approach is the same depending on physics, chemistry, and as well for those of you doing combined science. So the idea is that it's a very sort of compact sort of guide that you can keep in a bag easily, or maybe in a pocket. And the idea is that it covers the entire course with visualizations that help you to remember the key things that you will have covered in school in these subject areas. So for example, here you can see within organisation we've got digestive enzymes and the human digestive system and so on and so forth. RP means it's a required practical, which means that we are actually covering that. So let's go and find one of those. So we've got food tests there, which is RP 16, and we can see that we have got these are at the top page there, nice and colourful page. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to activate the app that you can get from Apple. You can see it's picked up already on the image, and it's downloading that experience. And where we end up with here is you can see that first thing you can do is play the video.
One of the required practical activities on the biology specification is the use of qualitative reagents to test for...
These videos are about sort of 3 minutes.
One of the required practical activities on the biology specification is the use of qualitative reagents.
So you can go to full screen, and indeed some of the things that you can do with this as well, which is very popular with young people, is you can actually download the videos onto your phone. So use the school Wi-Fi to do that, to save on some data costs, and you'll build up your own personal playlist on your phone of all of the key areas that you want to keep in view. You can also do various things. You can look at extra videos, you can go in and test yourself. So on that one, if we've gone in to test on that, what we're going to do is go into the assessment here, and we can see that in this particular assessment is a video question. So the idea is that you're going to watch the video and then you'll be able to answer the questions that we can see down there.
Before answering this question, you have to watch a short video clip of Catherine carrying out the food test.
And when you've done that, you can just literally quickly go through,
transferring a small sample of her food to a clean test tube,
and submit it. And what you're going to see then is you've actually got some feedback on that particular question. So you've got a few things wrong within that, and what this is going to do is it's going to run through that question and explain the answers to the question.
In this food test, Catherine is going to add iodine,
which is going to give you a full run through of that particular question. So if we go to full screen on that, you can see, just reorientate, you get a really good view.
Is that the iodine turns a blue-black colour.
That in itself is just an extra option within this. Some of the other things which you might find more useful is that if you were, for example, we were looking at bioenergetics, and we go to this page, what this is going to do is it's going to give you access to all of the videos within that section, which is particularly powerful for any tests on this area you've got coming up in school, or indeed for revision when it comes to exams. And what we can also do with this is we can actually download the videos. So you can really get this set up in no time at all. And a smart operator would probably think, right, okay, we're doing bioenergetics at school, I'm going to download all of these videos so that I can actually be really on top of this in class. So we're doing photosynthesis today. Let's have a quick recap of the key areas.
Discuss how the rate of photosynthesis depends on different factors, and then look at how these factors can be manipulated in order to...
And you can just skim around.
One of the required practical activities on the biology specification is an experiment to investigate how the rate of respiration is an exothermic chemical reaction that is continuing.
So that is pretty much that as far as the Science Snapshot booklet is concerned. They are very visual, and there's a lot of great information in these books. And if you get your head round these bits of information and understand it reasonably well, you are not going to go too far wrong.